Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
Are you looking for a grooming kit? This one by CRONKAI covers every base you'll possibly need. So whether you're shaving your face, your head, or even your ears and your nose, this kit will cover everything you need. It comes in this really nice carrying case where everything has a place, and there's plenty of extra storage in this little zipper pocket for all the extra little attachments. In this kit, you have the regular 7-head shaver, you have the nose and ear hair trimmer, you have a straight shaver, you even have a facial cleanser little scrub, and an exfoliator, and this straight edge. All of these are super nice, and the straight edge even comes with some guards, so if you use it for your beard, you don't have to have a separate kit for that. This is an all-in-one. We use this for my husband's head. He likes to have a nice clean shave, and so we have options. We can use the blade like this. It allows his hair to stay a little bit longer. Or we can switch and go to the 7-head one, and it makes his head very, very smooth. It comes with a charger, so you don't have to worry about replacing batteries. It's very easy to plug in and charge. And this thing is waterproof or dry. So you can use it in the shower if you want, or you can use it walking around the house. This really is a great all-in-one kit.
And that's my point of view.